Hi guys, I just wanted to show you around the Traxxas Link app that we've installed onto the UDR. We've also installed the extra motor temperature sensor as well into the car so that we can read the motor temperature from the app as well. We've included in the install the phone mount as well, so we can basically hold the phone simply on top of the radio. It makes life easy. So let's just hit into the dashboard here, which we've already added our clusters here. So we've got our ESC temperature, our motor temperature, inclination gauge, which is a new gauge that's been added by the app recently, so we can see the degree and movement of the vehicle. We've also got the batteries inside the car, voltage here, and the receiver voltage there, and the amps and the current draw from this gauge here. Obviously the speed reading and the RPM reading as well. We'll be updating the car with the new Telemetry Expander 2.0 and the GPS module 2.0 as well, so we will eventually be getting our speed readings from the GPS module. You've also got your lights, which we have installed on this. So we've got our daylight, which gives you just the rears, and you've got the low mode, high mode, and then if you want to switch the others on at the same time, all four lights, it gives you a really bright high mode. It's pretty cool. So there you have it guys, that's the Traxxas Link module, which also required to use the app is the Bluetooth module in the back of your radio unit, so you must make sure you've got that installed as well, which is part number 6511. And there you go. Obviously there's another one thing here which you can also do. You can record. If you hit your record button, you record constantly until you hit that again and then save that recording, so you can actually record everything you do within any run and save that at the end, which is really cool. So you can watch back everything that happens through your run. You can change all your steering percentages, which I've got this set to 50% at the moment because we've been running it on concrete surface, and it's quite a rolling type truck. It rolls quite a lot. Throttle trim, braking, throttle sensitivity, steering sensitivity, TSM assistance. Normally set that to about 50%. It works out quite good at 50%. So yeah, you've got all your different settings that you can set up. You've got your channel settings, your steering, so you can do sub trim, your left and right endpoints, reverse or normal, and same with the throttle, sub trim, brake percentage, throttle percentage, normal or reversed. All that can be done directly here from the app, really simply. And there's also your training mode, so you can hit that button and set up the percentages that you want to use for the training mode, to limit the power of the vehicle when you hand it over to someone that hasn't driven it before. So all in all, it's the app's given us a lot of feedback there, and I'm really happy with that, and I hope you will be too.